Now we talk about the factors affecting protein drug binding. It could be a physicochemical. When we talk about a drug, physicochemical, concentration, affinity. When we go into the factors for the protein and other binding components, it could be the concentration, physicochemical characteristics, number of binding site, drug interaction, competition between the drug and normal body constituents, allotropic changes, patient related factor, age, inter-subject variation, and disease state. The drug related factor includes physicochemical characteristics of the drug. It relates with the lipophilicity of the drug. Increase in the lipophilicity will increase the extent of binding. So highly lipophilic drug localize in the adipose tissue that attracts to the lipophilic drug. Neutral drug bind near to the lipoprotein. Next is the concentration of the drug in the body. Concentration of a drug is directly related to binding with the protein. When drug concentration reaches at the extraction level, binding will be stopped. Saturation when there is no more binding sites available. Next is the drug protein affinity. Lidocaine has a greater affinity to alpha acid glycoprotein than human serum albumin. Second is the protein tissue related factors like physicochemical properties of the protein binding component. Lipoprotein and adipose tissue tend to bind lipophilic drug by dissolving them in the lipid core. Concentration of protein binding component is that albumin is higher in the concentration, so the one that has a great concentration will bind with more drugs. Number of binding sites of the protein albumin as a binding site, as a high capacity protein binding. Next is the drug interaction. Competition between drugs for the binding site, that is the displacement reaction. It is generally when the two or more drug binds to the same site with a competition between them. So first जाके हो जाएगी, that is the displaced drug. फर्स्ट जाके बैठ के अगर मान लीजिए ए और बी ड्रग है और दोनों की सेम एफिनिटी है साइट के लिए, और द सेम साइट जो है कि उसमें क्या है कि दोनों के बीच कंपटीशन होगा और जो जाके बाइंड हो गई ड्रग दैट विल बी बाइंड, मगर अगर दूसरी ड्रग ने आके उसको बाइंडिंग साइट से हटा दिया और खुद कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म कर लिया, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड डिस्प्लेसमेंट इंट्रैक्शन. तो जो ए थी जो पहले जाके बाइंड हो गई दैट इज कॉल्ड एज डिस्प्लेस्ड ड्रग और बी इज द डिस्प्लेसर. When we competition between the drug and body components. So if we have interact with number of drug that bind primarily to the HSA, तो जो फ्री फैटी एसिड लेवल इंक्रीज हो जाएगा इन सम फिजियोलॉजिकल पैथोलॉजिकल में हमारा, तो वो फ्री फैटी एसिड बाइंड करती हैं एल्बुमिन की साइड में, जिसकी वजह से कुछ ड्रग्स जो होती हैं वो डिस्प्लेस हो जाती हैं. Now we talk about the allopatric change in the protein body. So it involves alteration of protein structure by the drug or its metabolite, thereby modifying the binding capacity of the agent. मतलब जो प्रोटीन है उसके स्ट्रक्चर में ऑल्ट्रेशन हो जाता है उसके मेटाबोलाइट्स में, जिसकी वजह से जो हमारी बाइंडिंग कैपेसिटी है दैट विल बी अफेक्टेड. Last is the patient related factor. Age. It depends upon the protein content, as various protein content is influenced in the various age group. And neonates, the albumin content is low, so the unbound drug concentration of the drug binds to the albumin is increased. In young infant, it is a com- uh, 4 to 6 times higher as a border of the adult. In elderly, the albumin content is low, so the concentration of drug will be increased. So, in several disease state, if we talk about, the concentration of albumin can be very high or low, or uh, uh, it can affect the competitive binding of a drug. So, albumin is generally the major binding site of the most of the drugs, and in serious chronic illness, albumin content get decreases. This is all about the factors affecting distribution.